Hello everyone, my name is Kaseem. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Coinbase. We're going to cover Coinbase today. I've recently been looking more into crypto, and I've been looking to diversify a little bit more into cryptocurrency. So I figured let me share some of the research, some of the things that I've been looking at. Let me share it with you. And of course, everything I do, I always leave the research in the description for you to check out if you're interested. If you're new to the channel, you are welcome. If you're not new to the channel, you are welcome back. I appreciate you for coming back. As always, I really appreciate you guys for coming back and checking out the channel. So before we get into the video, before we get into the research, I just would like to point out in all my videos that I do, that I put out when it comes to showing numbers, when it comes to showing my investments and everything like that, this is a disclaimer. I am not an investment advisor. I am not your investment advisor. If you need investment advice, you should look into it yourself, do your own research, or consult a professional if you're not interested in doing your own research. Okay, you should always consult a professional whenever you put money into something. Stocks, crypto, real estate is always risky. You're taking a chance with your money. You could lose your money. So don't use this information as investment advice. Use it as research. This is research advice. It's part of, no, not advice. This is research. This is research. Use this information as research, not financial advice. So we are going to get into Coinbase. We're going to start with Coinbase first, okay? Because Coinbase is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the United States. So we are going to start with Coinbase. Okay, so first thing first, Coinbase is a cryptocurrency trading platform. Okay, that's what they do. They are a cryptocurrency trading platform. People buy and sell crypto on Coinbase. They basically like an exchange. They like the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, London Stock Exchange, all the exchanges that you have in the world where you can go. That's where you go to buy and sell. That is what Coinbase is for cryptocurrency. Okay, and Coinbase serve retail and institutional clients. So retail are people like you and I, people that we invest our own personal money into cryptocurrency. Coinbase serves us. And they also serve like institutions, like big businesses, businesses that are willing to transact in crypto. They serve them and all that stuff. So that is what they do. They recently went public, and like I always do with everything, I'm gonna leave the research in the description for you to check out. So this is their public paperwork. This is the paperwork that they have to file. This is the S1 is the form that they have to file with the government, and they have to list absolutely everything about their business. You know, who owns what, their mission, what they do. They have to list absolutely everything. So if you are interested in reading a little bit more about what they do and you want to do research, here is a good place to start. But this is their government filing right here. I'll leave the link to that in the description. I also have this section here, which I'm going to leave in the description. This is their investor relations website, and they have a list of breakdown of how they manage the company, the governance, finance, their financial statements and everything like that. They have everything listed. And let's see the section here. Okay, this is the section where they go through their investor presentations. They tell investors everything about their company. This is their investor presentation section. Like I said, they have everything listed. They introduce a Coinbase, their product, their business model, as you guys see here. Again, I'm going to list all this information in the description for you to check out. So I currently use Coinbase. I personally use Coinbase to just buy, and I use Coinbase to buy my crypto, and then I send it to my BlockFi account and let it sit there and earn interest. So cryptocurrency, this is what we are looking at right now. Okay, in terms of some of the stock they have, I think over 20 different crypto. The good thing with Coinbase is like Coinbase really vet all the coins that they have on their platform. So if any coin that they have on their platform, most likely they are legit and they are probably like a real project, and most likely they're going places. So that is the thing with Coinbase. They really vet the coins that they have on their platform. Okay, so why is cryptocurrency such a big deal? Okay, why is crypto such a big deal? This is I mean, cryptocurrency or Coinbase. Let's say Coinbase in general. First of all, let's talk about cryptocurrency. If we look here, this is CoinMarketCap. I'm gonna also list this website in the description for you to check out. The total market cap, the global cryptocurrency market cap is worth $2.19 trillion. $2.19 trillion. That is more than the GDP of a lot of countries. Okay, it's more than the GDPs of a lot of countries. They are the global cryptocurrency market right now is worth $2.19 trillion. Now we look at Bitcoin itself. Bitcoin has majority of the share by far. Okay, this is well over $1 trillion. They have the majority amount of the money in crypto. It's in Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is not a coin that anybody can ignore. Now, Ethereum is also there, you know, they have major numbers, and then Binance Coin is also there. Then the numbers are pretty major, and you can go down the line and check out all this different crypto. But the cryptocurrency market is growing steadily. I mean, $2.19 trillion here is not small money. This is like major amount of money. So let's get to some of the research, some more research on what's it called here? Coinbase. Forbes, this is Forbes website. They basically talk about Bitcoin, and they're trying to get you to be a little bit more familiar with Bitcoin. They talk about their business model. Coinbase platform enable retail and institutional customers to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum. So basically, they let you store your cryptocurrency. Okay, that's what they do. Their numbers have been going up like crazy. Coinbase had a total of about 56 million retail users. Okay, that's a lot of people. Roughly 90% of the company's revenue as of 2020. Well, their revenue has gone up a lot recently. As you see here, they jumped up a lot. I mean, cryptocurrency has just been up like crazy recently, so they jump up a lot. But anyways, I'll leave this article in the description like I always do, for you to go check out. So talking about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin and everything like that, you can say, what's the hype? To me personally, I believe that cryptocurrency is creating like a second financial system. I don't think cryptocurrency is gonna rival what we have right now, because what we have right now, it's been in place for hundreds of years. It's been working for hundreds of years. It has its ups and downs, but it's been in place for a long time. So cryptocurrency, I think it will complement the financial system. It will be like a second financial system. So I personally believe that Coinbase is a great investment and a great way to be able to capture a little bit of what is going to happen in the future in terms of just cryptocurrencies in general. So we're going to start here first. We're going to start with Coinbase here. Okay, so Coinbase just went public today, and today is the 14th of April 2021. So they went public, and this was their stock. This is what their stock performance basically looked like. They started at $380, and they went as high as 424, a little bit under 420, a little bit over 420. But here they went as low as 311, and they are looking at 348. So I mean, I think the demand for Coinbase, I think the demand will be high just because of how big the company is. Literally, out of this, where's CoinMarketCap? Let me go back to CoinMarketCap here. Out of this 2.9 trillion or 2.2 trillion, out of this numbers right here, Coinbase holds 11% of these numbers. 11% of all the deposits in cryptocurrency, Coinbase has it, right? So Coinbase has the ability to make a lot of money by doing lending, just like BlockFi doing lending and different things that they will probably do. They can offer different financial services as well. The second company to Coinbase, I believe, is Gemini, and Gemini is not public, so we can only use what we have available right now, which is Coinbase. Okay, so if you say, okay, how am I going to capture this movement in cryptocurrency? How am I looking to capture it? Well, I created a little section in the M1 portfolio. So I created a little section here called cryptocurrency. Okay, and in basically when I was putting this together, I basically want to capture the production, mining, companies that produce the equipment and all that stuff. So I want to capture that into one of this stock. So what I have here, this group of stock, what I have here is I have Coinbase. They just went public. So I have Coinbase. Coinbase is a company that I just explained to you guys. They hold and store cryptocurrency assets. They are one of the biggest in the world. They own like 60% of the world's cryptocurrency. So what I'm looking to do is I'm looking to capture a decent amount of the cryptocurrency market. I'm looking at it as two sides. Okay, I'm looking at it from two sides. I'm looking at it from the investment aspect, the aspect where you actually own a piece of the currencies, cryptocurrency. I actually own a piece of it, and at the same time, I'm looking at investing in the companies that are the biggest companies in cryptocurrency as well. So like, for example, Coinbase is one of the biggest biggest exchanges. Coinbase, Gemini, Binance, BTC, but those are not in the US. I think Coinbase and Gemini is the two big ones in the US. Binance is in the US as well. Who knows, maybe they'll go public one day. Voyager is another one. They're pretty big as well. But Coinbase, I have Coinbase here. I have Coinbase. I have Nvidia. And Nvidia, the reason why Nvidia is here is they create the GPUs. They create GPUs that that helps in the mining of cryptocurrency. So Nvidia is a major company that needs to be in here. The other one is PayPal. PayPal is also a company that recently bought a ton of Bitcoin. They own a lot of they own Cash App, they own Venmo, and those companies, they play a big part in just financial transactions in general, when it comes to financial transaction in general, and cryptocurrency. So they are a big company, and they need to be here as well. So the other one is MicroStrategy. They do investments, and they have a ton of Bitcoin as well. So I want to keep them there. Can is a company in China that they do production of computers that you need for mining. So they are also here as well. And Riot, I trade Riot, and they do cryptocurrency mining, so they will be in here as well. Over time, this portfolio will probably grow in terms of companies that I would have in here. I still need to vet some more companies like Voyager and all that stuff, and see if I can put them in M1. So they are still going to be here as well. Of course, all the links that you need will be in the description. If you need to check out any of these companies, all the links that you need for them will be in the description. So I just showed you guys what I'm planning on doing when it comes to the M1. When it comes to the M1 portfolio, I'm planning on adding, a cryptocurrency section. And my goal would be to put at least once a week to add to add about $100, not 500, $100 every week roughly, that will get spread out into all these companies. And hopefully once I can get there up to about $1,000, I'll just let it do its thing and let M1 take over. But for now, I'm looking at just starting this and adding about $100 a week, dollar cost average, into these companies for about 5 to 8 weeks or so, roughly about 2 months. So, and see where that goes. The other one that I also have is BlockFi here. I did a video on BlockFi. You guys can check out that video. I have roughly about $2,000 in BlockFi right now, and this thing is constantly earning interest. Okay, basically this is a platform where you deposit your crypto and your crypto earns interest. They use your crypto to lend out to companies, and they earn interest on that. They earn a higher interest, and they keep the difference, and also pay a high interest to the investors that put money into their platform. Now, they've been around for a bit, not a long time when it comes to companies and investments, companies in general, not a long time, but they've been around for a while. The breakdown of what I have here is roughly about 800 in Bitcoin. I have a little bit more Ethereum and a tiny Litecoin. I'm going to be bumping my Bitcoin holding up here, possibly maybe adding about 3 grand, making this roughly about 5 grand. The target for this, most likely for the end of the year, I'm looking at maybe 10 or 15 grand that I want to have in here. And if I now add this section to what I would have by the end of the year, I want it to be roughly about maybe 10% of my entire portfolio in cryptocurrency. I think for me it's relatively large, but that's a risk that I'm willing to take when it comes to cryptocurrency. Okay, because this interest that you're earning here can compound pretty nicely, over time. And this is a US company, so I don't mind owning this company at all. So that is that. So with that being said, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you for watching. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments below. I love interacting with you guys, my audience. So put it in the comment below if you have any questions. And until next time, see you later. Have a good one. Love you all. Bye.